This video will show you how to install the tank of a two-piece Caroma toilet onto a fully skirted Caroma bowl. To learn how to install a Caroma skirted bowl, we've linked to the video How to Install a Caroma Fully Skirted Toilet Using Smart Connect into the description below. Once the bowl is installed, unbox the tank and flip it upside down. You'll need to connect the water supply line. If you choose a braided supply line, it can simply be screwed directly onto the inlet valve connection. A tapered rubber seal and wing nut are supplied if you're going to use a 3/8 inch hard tube or pipe connection. Unscrew the nuts from the tank fixing bolts. Then, remove the backing from the supplied foam tank-to-bowl gasket and place it onto the bottom of the tank around the base of the outlet valve. Now you can lower the tank onto the bowl, allowing the supply line to fit through the large hole on the side and the two fixing bolts to fit into the corresponding holes at the top of the bowl. You can now reattach the tank bolt nuts. This is the view of the back of the tank. Simply attach the nuts to the bottom of the fixing bolts and hand tighten until the tank is secure. Attach the water connection and turn on the water supply. Replace the tank lid and you're finished. For more information on this or any Caroma product, please contact our customer service team at 1-800-460-7019 or email us at help@sustainablesolutions.com.